Instead of your plain white rice, jazz it up a little bit and just try this technique. I know you'd like it. Just comment down below and let me know what you think about it. Wagwan YouTube family, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while, but we had stuff that we had to take care of, so I'm bringing to you another interesting and delicious authentic Jamaican style recipe. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. Let's get right into it. So as you can see, we're preparing some vegetables. So today we are gonna make one pot meal. One pot, I'm gonna do everything. So we're going to make turmeric vegetable rice. So sit down and enjoy this delicious recipe. So I'm gonna chop up on the vegetables them in small pieces. We're also going to go ahead and toss some cabbage in it. If you have the purple cabbage, you can go ahead and add your purple cabbage so it can add more vibrant colors to your vegetables. Also going to go ahead and steam some broccoli. You want to ensure that you don't steam the broccoli too soft. You want to ensure that it is crispy, right? So our board is looking very colorful with our colorful vegetables. So we're heading over to the stove now. So to the frying pan we're going to add some oil. However, I went back and I threw out some of the oil, so I removed some of the oil and I added about a tablespoon. So you're going to see why I removed some of the oil, because as we said before, this is a one pot meal. So one pot, this a frying pan, I go cook this delicious turmeric vegetable rice. So you can jazz up your white rice a little bit. Cooking with TZNC is gonna show you how to do it, so don't forget to hit that thumbs up button now, guys. So to the frying pan we're going to saute the vegetables. Alright guys, so you see when I saute the vegetable now, you want to ensure that the oil is hot. Not only to ensure that the oil is hot, you want to also ensure that you don't overcook the vegetables, if you understand what I say. So with the vegetables now, you want to have that crunch in the vegetable. You don't want to have the vegetable being too soft or too saggy. You understand what I say? So don't go cook out the vegetable them too much, right? So you put the flame on low or medium heat, and you're going to toss the vegetables or saute the vegetables. You don't want to make them too soft, guys. As me say, I go stress it, don't make the vegetable them too soft. We want them crunchy, right? I couldn't find a plastic fork, so this way I go work with today. Alright, so you continue to make the vegetables them just go on, cook up a little bit so we can get all of that flavor they extracted from our vegetables. Right, so that way I go do right there. So alright guys, I'm grab for my grace sweet corn. I'm just gonna pour some in there You could have used the entire pack because this is a small tin. And the corn can also go in now, or you can even put it in couple minutes before the meal finish, because this corn is already cooked, right? So just I go just stir in everything. Now to the fun part. We're gonna add about half teaspoon or a quarter teaspoon of curry powder, and we're also going to add some turmeric powder, right? Guys, cooking is a art, so you can always tweak a recipe, but this recipe is specifically to this one that I'm making now. So with a recipe, you can always add more ingredients, or you can remove some of the ingredients, or you can tweak it the way you like it, right? So with the turmeric and the curry powder, you could pour the turmeric and curry powder into the hot oil and burn it. As we know, that's what most Jamaicans do, but I'm doing it how I like it, so this is how we're doing it now, right? So you could also go ahead and, like some people that say, season the vegetable with the turmeric, and then you toss everything and shake them up in a one local dish, and you can cook them just like that. Or you can do it how we're doing it now. So you can do it however you like it, right? So you can be creative in the kitchen and do it however you like it. So we added the turmeric powder, we tossed everything so we can get everything combined to give us this rich and vibrant yellow color. We also went in and had some ginger, so if you're afraid so the belly I go run and just put in a piece of ginger in there. Nah, do no nothing. Alright guys, so take note here. So I'm going to now add the rice to the vegetables. Guys, one pot. This rice is not cooked. It is raw rice. So the rice is just coming from the package. And now placing it into the pot with the stirred fry vegetables, right? So this rice don't cook, guys. So you're going to pour the uncooked rice into the vegetables. Stir everything, and then we're going to add some water. So we just wash out our container so we get every rice grain out of the plate, and we just go tap it up with some water. After doing that, you're going to turn the flame to low, guys, very low. Is not high flame cook rice, is the steaming of the rice. So you turn the flame on low and allow the rice to steam. So that's what we're achieving here. Alright guys, so we are going to season the pot now. So we're going to add some butter. So you can add the amount of butter that you'd like. We're also going to add some salt. So you add the salt to taste based on your liking. If you have pimento leaf, you could also go ahead and toss some pimento leaf in there. And I'm going to go ahead and add a few seeds of the pimento seed. Even though the pot's so colorful and well flavor, we have to go in and add a few ingredients. We are kind of jazz it up a little bit, right? So we just are going to stir in everything, make the butter go and melt in the rice, make the pimento seed just go on, sit down and just, settle in. Add with salt so it can flavor the pot and just enhance the flavor in the pot right there. So, and then we are going to turn down the flame and allow the rice to steam. So guys, you see, if you have the turmeric root, which I didn't have at the moment because I used them up. If you have the turmeric root, what you could do is just cut off a piece about a thumb size, and you could crush the turmeric root and also fry it into the oil, and then you start see it change in color. Or you could also grate the turmeric root and add to the hot oil. So whichever one works, or you use the turmeric powder as I just did. So whichever one you have, you can use that. So we couldn't cover the pot without putting a piece of scotch bonnet pepper in there. So we just pierce up the scotch bonnet pepper, put a hole on it. So you know what that do now? You see, because me afraid of the very hot and spicy scotch bonnet pepper, I prefer get the flavor from it. So when you pierce the scotch bonnet pepper now and you cover it down now, you get that flavor from the scotch bonnet pepper. So, you know, I smell the scotch bonnet pepper. So yes, as you can see, look, there's a lot of water. So you just stir it up, then you go cover it back and make the rice steam. You want to smell the scotch bonnet, guys. Scotch bonnet ranking it. Instead of your plain old white rice, jazz it up and add little turmeric and little curry, and look at this lovely turmeric rice. Look at it, guys. Good. Smells. You can smell the scotch bonnet, guys. The scotch bonnet ranking at this. Look at the rice, pretty.